As you can see here, we have Elon Musk at hand. We want to set up installation for Starlink. We want to set up installation for Starlink. So what we have here is the base, and what we have here is the receiver. This is the receiver. We must have this, and it's among the package when you buy it. Then it comes with a cable like this, a length of cable. It is quite long, about 8 meters or 10 meters plus. So we want to set it up. I want to show you step by step on how to do that. You see these points on the receiver. At this point, that's where you slot in the cable. See this cable? That's where you slot it in. Be very careful as you are slotting the cable. Make sure the cable goes in like this, direct down. You don't stop it halfway. You complete it. You complete it up to the end. You heard a click sound. That's perfectly reached where it should be. Then this slot here goes into the clamp, into the stand. You see something like this inside of it. That's where this slot passes through. So you set it up. You set it up like this. You set it up. Okay, you just directly plug it in to that. You hear the click sound to tell you that it has firmly clicked to it. It cannot rotate manually. This can only tilt automatically. It cannot rotate manually. Using your hand to turn it, you can't rotate it. So I want to show you how to start it up. Now we've been able to set up the SAT. Be able to set up the SAT. The second thing you need to do, you have to follow this procedure very carefully. I believe you will arrive in a safer place. Follow this my step gradually, you will arrive there. After doing this ones I've just told you to do, the next thing you will do is for you to download the app from your app store. If you are using iPhone, you know where you download your app. If you are using Android, you know that you download it from your app store, from your Play Store. You go down to your Play Store to download the app. Let me opt into my Play Store app. Understand? And give you code directive on where to go from. Okay, here is my mobile phone. I had to go down to my Play Store. I typed Starlink on my Play Store app, and it's coming up with the app here. For the fact that I have already downloaded the app, you can see that it's not showing me download or install. It's showing me open. That's to say I've already had the app on my phone. So I had to click open on it. If I should click the open, this is how the app would look like. I'm just swiping to show you how the app would look like, and there is no other one that looks like this. This is just very unique. I click on the open button. It brought me down to the app, and here is the app itself. If you check, you see everything concerning Starlink on it. They show you check for obstruction, order now, start setup. We are checking for obstruction. So we'll click the obstruction button, check for obstruction button. As we click the check for obstruction button, it has to bring us to this point. This point is showing you activated. The upper one is showing you standard. The one down is showing you mini. But I like using this high performance. I like using the high performance down here. I will click on it, and I will click the confirm. This confirm brings me to this interface telling you how to do it. Then you click on the part that says I'm ready. Then you start rotating your camera. Set up your camera to the sky and rotate your camera 360 degrees. Rotate with yourself. You're holding your phone on your hand, rotating till it completes 100% scan. You scan the sky till it completes 100%. You continue doing that till you have 100% completion. If you have any obstacle, it will tell you that, okay, there's an obstacle somewhere. Understand? But you just keep rotating. You must keep rotating till it completes 100%. You don't drop your phone down. You don't face your phone camera to the ground. You keep it on the sky. You keep focusing on the sky. This is 99% already. I'm still rotating. It gives me 100%. So after the 100%, it will show me view results, and this is the view results interface. This is the view results interface. I will click on the view results, and it will scan up to show me if there is any obstruction on the sky. This is where it is loading. We just have to keep it loading. Till we actually get what we want. We have to keep it loading. So let's wait for it to give us what we actually wanted. It is loading, so let's patiently wait for it. Starlink is one of the best internet satellites you can always imagine. It is very, very fast and reliable because it connects you direct to the space. From what we've seen here now, it has finished loading and it's trying to scan the estimated obstructions it has observed within the environment. Here is 63. We are still moving. 72, 77, 81, 86, 90, 95. We are still moving till it gets to 100. This is the point we were actually expecting. This is the point we were waiting for. What can you observe? You observe that after scanning the whole sky, the red spots you see on the sky are the level of obstructions you have on the sky. If the red spot is more than what you can contend with, you just leave it. You don't have to install your Starlink because it will be breaking down time to time. It will not really give you what you want. But from what we are seeing here, streaming video, we are okay. Web browsing, we are okay. Video calls, you are okay. You just only have some obstruction with gaming. So from here now, you have finished scanning the sky. You have to set up your Starlink to the receiver. So I will show you what to do. From here, you've seen that your Starlink is actually showing. Your Starlink is showing if you have it connected, it will show you online, and if you don't have it connected, it will show you offline. So let's keep going. From here, this is your Starlink. We haven't connected it yet. If we connect it from this point, the thing is loading here. You will see that it will show you Starlink connected online. Do you get it? Starlink connected online. And as it has not connected yet, that is why you are observing that it is not showing you online or offline. If you click the setting buttons, it will take you down to your Wi-Fi to see if you have actually connected your mobile phone to the Starlink. So from here, I will now lead you up to setting up the whole system. I'll now lead you to setting up the whole system. Setting up the whole system is very, very easy. Understand? You don't have to panic about anything. It's not that big and cumbersome stuff. Okay, let's start from here. So after doing After doing all the outdoor works, you have to come back inside to also do what you have to do with the router. Here is the router. This is how it looks like. It's very, very sleek, very nice, and less complicated. It's very, very easy to use and easy to maintain. So I've plugged it in. I've plugged the receiver cable into the router, and the cable with this big head is the power cable. That one is the power cable. So when you see anyone like that, you know that is the power cable, and that is the receiver's cable. When you see this white light turns up, you know that, okay, your router is actually on. Should in case you plug it on and the white light doesn't come up, you don't blame the router. You better check your power source, if there is a voltage on it, or you check the cable connecting it. So I've just showed you what to do, and that is how to do it. It is as easy as that. Your Starlink internet is set up. Then from the other angle, which I told you that you cannot rotate it with your hands. Understand? You cannot rotate it with your hands. Can you see where I even set up the Starlink receiver? I set it up on a tank stand, which means you have to take it up to where there is no obstructions. So I set it up on the tank stand. I'm climbing up there to that tank stand now to ascertain what I said before. So I'm going up there. I want to show you something. If you followed up the video from beginning, you observe that the position we left the receiver, the satellite receiver, is not the position where it is now. Can you see that it has tilted on its own to this particular position? Can you see where it is actually having itself to work? At this point, this is where it is receiving direct from the satellite, from the space. So it has to do that on its own without any manual support or aid. So with this now, you are able to set up your Starlink internet, and you don't have any future issues based on internet issues anymore. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channels. I would really appreciate any comments. Comment on the comment box, and I will give you good replies on that. If you also need a live video, you comment that you need a live video. I will do a live video for you. Thank you.